one of our banana trees in our Sri Lankan garden. The bananas are ripe, so it's ready to be cut. So this is like a dwarf banana species. Show me the banana first. Show it to me. Open. So we wrap it in plastic so the monkeys won't get it. Here is nice banana. Wow! Look at those amazing bananas. That's amazing. So stop with the gardeners to cut. So once the tree produces bananas, it's not good anymore. And it's a bulb, so these other trees are gonna surface from the same bulb and create more bananas. That's a nice banana stalk. Now that's our bananas from one banana tree. We're gonna have to share those.